Throttle controller is simply an electronic device that plugs into the accelerator pedal and intercepts the signal before it gets to the vehicle's ECU, allowing you to change the throttle sensitivity depending on your driving style. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best throttle controller, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different controller. By the end, you'll know exactly which best throttle controller is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Pedal Commander Throttle Controller. The Pedal Commander Throttle Controller is a game changer for Ram 1500 new body style owners, offering enhanced throttle response and added security features. With 4 customizable driving modes, Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, this controller allows you to fine-tune your acceleration to match your driving style and conditions. The Eco mode boosts fuel efficiency and traction, making it perfect for city driving or off-road terrain. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design, requiring just 10 minutes, and the free Pedal Commander app offers intuitive control over all settings. One standout feature is the anti-theft mode, which disables the gas pedal via the app with a subscription, providing peace of mind by preventing unauthorized use. Best of all, this throttle controller won't void your vehicle's warranty or leave traces on your ECU, and it's fully compatible with other performance upgrades. Designed specifically for 2nd and 3rd Gen Ram 1500 models, it's an essential performance accessory. Number 2. Injen X-Pedal Pro Throttle Controller. The Injen X-Pedal Pro Throttle Controller is a high-performance upgrade for drivers seeking improved throttle response and overall driving dynamics. Housed in a sleek black anodized aluminum unit, it adds a touch of sophistication to your cabin while delivering real performance gains. This plug-and-play device installs easily, no wire cutting or splicing required, and is warranty-safe, leaving no trace when removed. Compatible with both automatic and manual transmissions, it significantly enhances throttle signal response and shifting performance, especially in automatic vehicles. With 9 levels of sport mode, it's perfect for spirited driving or mountain roads, while 7 levels of eco mode help improve fuel efficiency in urban traffic. Features like anti-skid assist for slippery conditions, launch control/drag race mode for rapid acceleration, and DAC, digital to analog convert, processing at 1000 times per second ensure precision performance. The X-Pedal Pro is also compatible with most aftermarket programmers, making it a smart and versatile tuning solution. Number 3. FUKIN Tuned Throttle Response Controller. The FUKIN Tuned Throttle Response Controller is a must-have upgrade for Toyota Tacoma owners seeking better performance and added security. Designed specifically for the Tacoma, this plug-and-play throttle booster eliminates annoying gas pedal lag, delivering quicker engine response and faster acceleration. With 36 unique throttle maps, the FUKIN Tuned controller caters to all driving styles, whether you're navigating city streets or off-roading on rugged terrain. Installation is a breeze and takes just minutes with no complex wiring required. The standout feature is the anti-theft mode, which disables the gas pedal function entirely, giving your Tacoma an added layer of protection against theft. For those looking to save fuel, the FUKIN Slow mode reduces throttle sensitivity to enhance efficiency. Controlled conveniently through your smartphone, this throttle controller combines performance tuning with modern convenience and security, making it an ideal choice for any Tacoma driver looking to boost driving enjoyment while maintaining safety and control. Thanks for watching the video.